Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Associated with 100paisa.in. Packers and Movers Satara Maharashtra. The packers and movers are helping you to pack and move your belongings conveniently and most safely. While moving your belongings, all team members have been trained to maintain the highest level of safety and professionalism. Relocation Services Satara Maharashtra. We can involve in handling the entire relocation service.We ensure that disruption is kept to a minimum and that your business is not disrupted. Car Transport Services by Car Carrier Satara Maharashtra. We will take care of your precious vehicle and transport it to your desired destination smoothly and safely from one place to another without any scratches and damages. Best Professional Packers and Movers Satara Maharashtra. All immigration is organized and managed on time. They assure you won't damage your belongings and deliver them safely. Our bills have the registration number. Bike Transport by Two-Wheeler Body Scooter Body Truck Satara Maharashtra. Our company offers the motorcycle transportation service at significantly less value. If you're looking for transportation services, you've come to the right spot. Commercial and Household Goods Luggage Transport Services Satara Maharashtra. Good company will need a packer, mover, driver, dispatcher, and supervisor. Our shifting vehicles are equipped with the proper equipment, which is always supported throughout the relocation process. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation Satara Maharashtra. We now have good choices to select the best one by their faster services. This business actively encourages persons with limitations to apply for the position. Pet Relocation Services by Chartered Special Vehicle Satara Maharashtra. The practice itself is fairly straightforward. A relocation agency typically picks up your pet at your home. We provide trusty services to you in transporting the pet's animals. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Satara Maharashtra. Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouses are used by all different types of businesses. Commercial complex, office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solutions Satara Maharashtra. All of our employees have been trained to deal with such situations and uphold the highest safety standards. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Satara Maharashtra. This option gives the customer insurance for the damaged products during transportation and while packing. If your primary focus is the transportation of people, consumer goods, equipment, or waste, contact us on shifting at @cargo.in, www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.